Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Ready.
Good.
On.
So you want that position in there?
Yep. I would say up a bit too. Are you good there, Luke?
Come
Up.
on.
Yeah,
There we go.
Okay.
Try to make the front end come up a little bit. There you go, there you go. Perfect. Okay, now we just have to hold for like 5 seconds.
Get ready to shut off, Craig.
Yep. I would shut it off.
Off. Off.
Off. That one looks like.
That one looks really good.